Now it's recording. Oops.
She makes the funniest expression.
It's so dark on this side that it's like...
Do you want to sit here?
No, it's okay. I can stand up.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi there. My name's Chubba. My mama Chubba. My daddy Chubba. My papa's
Like
Chubba.
Papa.
My papa's Chubba. Aunt Becca's skinny.
What are you fussing and squirming for? Is that better? Is that better? No?
Stretch out.
Those hiccups frustrating you a little? Hmm?
Throw your head.
Ooh. Ooh. Wore herself out. Now she's sleepy.
Her whole arm twitches.
She's trying to sleep between hiccups.
Yeah, that's what she tries to do at night. And it's like we know that we have to get up whenever she has hiccups because she'll end up getting mad and crying.